This Dsoon mini trail camera is acting funny when I show it black color, then the IR filter is going crazy, like switches constantly on and off, and when I show it the white color, it doesn't do anything. I wonder why is it like this. So I decided to take it apart. It's only 4 little screws. I will undo them and then continue. Now that I have removed those 4 screws, let's have a look inside this tiny camera. Well, it seems there are more screws. Those little black screws needs to be removed also. So I will do it now. Now I have removed all the necessary screws to remove or to look at the other side of this board. So let's do it now. Nicely sealed around the edges. Some kind of soft silicone-like sealing material. Well, here is the IR filter that was constantly moving. Now we can see that the IR filter is covering the lens and the sensor, which I believe is behind this lens. Now let's try to remove this part here. Or maybe we should turn it on and see how the lens, IR lens, is working. So let's do that now. Well, now I have powered on the camera. Let's turn on the display. So, oh yeah, now we can take this like but when I cover the lens, the camera is going into night mode. Now let's take apart this filter housing, and also let's take off this lens from the sensor, and let's see what sensor is there. Now here is the IR filter. Now there's this little CMOS sensor, I guess. Now the screen is blurry because I removed the lens from the sensor. There's the lens. Oh, but we can't see still. Looks like there is a lot of dust on the sensor. So if we cover the sensor, then the IR filter should move. So let's try that now. If I cover the sensor with a cardboard, yeah. Now the camera thinks that it is night time because I've covered the CMOS sensor, and the camera thought that it was night time. You see, at night time the filter stays open. Well, now, so it means that the electrical current is energizing this little coil, and basically this means that in night time the camera uses more battery power because it needs to generate magnetic field here so the filter can be pulled away from the sensor, and it stays like this until the morning comes. So good to know that it draws more energy from the batteries at night.